feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time or take this slow. We got miles behind us but miles to go, so let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times, and I'm taking. Darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life.